Occupied Kashmir is marred by the decades of killings, arrests, disappearances and crackdowns at the hands of Indian occupation forces in a bid to crush the Kashmiri people's struggle for their right to self-determination, according to a report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service today. With more than 96,290 Kashmiris spanning across generations have lost their lives since the eruption of the ongoing phase of resistance against India's illegal occupation in 1989. Dr. Qasim Faktu, distinguished Hurriyat figure, completed 31 years in incarceration in occupied Kashmir on 5 February 2024. According to Kashmir Media Service, Dr. Faktu is PhD in Islamic Studies, awarded during his imprisonment in 2016, married to Asya Andrabi, prominent Kashmiri Hurriyat leader and chief of the Dukhtarane-Millat human rights organization in occupied Kashmir. Dr. Faktu served as the chief of the Muslim League and chairman of the Muslim Dini Mahaz, a religious organization he founded. All parties Hurriyat Conference and Jammu Kashmir Liberation Front have appealed to the people to observe strike on Sunday 11 February to commemorate the martyrdom anniversaries of the prominent freedom leader Muhammad Maqbool Butt and Muhammad Afzal Guru. According to Kashmir Media Service, APHC at a high-level meeting of its Majlis-e-Shura in Srinagar deliberated on the current political situation and expressed grave concern over the prevailing atmosphere of oppression. Leaders in Ladakh, part of occupied Kashmir, have issued a warning to the Modi regime threatening to embark on a hunger strike if their demands were not met by 19th February. According to Kashmir Media Service, former member of the Indian Parliament Thupstan Chiwang addressed a press conference in Leh emphasizing their 4-point agenda. Indian police arrested a Kashmiri youth in New Delhi, India. According to Kashmir Media Service, the police arrested the Kashmiri man identified as Riaz Ahmed at New Delhi railway station. The Indian police claimed that the Kashmiri youth was involved in pro-freedom activities. Gujar Bakarwal Students Alliance organized a protest at the Jammu University opposing the delusion of the scheduled tribe ST status for the Gujars by the Modi-led Indian regime in occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, the protesters, while addressing the media, denounced an anti-tribal bill calling for the withdrawal of the Jammu and Kashmir Scheduled Tribe Amendment Bill.